I like setting up fish tanks that clean themselves, with things like snails, shrimp, and by growing plants that eat the fruits of the fish. I'm going to use this old small fish tank for build an underwater jungle. The glass behind it is broken, but I fixed it using glue. Also, I added a black glass cover for cover the back of the tank. All you really need for a filterless tank is a layer of dirt and a layer of something to keep the dirt down. For making that soil mixture, I used fine river sand. Also the topsoil, and as a fertilizer, I used compost. I used a sieve to get rid of the large stones and twigs. I used these two types of soil and sand to make my soil mixture. I added these three and mixed them. I went with just under an inch of soil. Then I leveled the soil layer.